Hi, this morning we have the last problem in this section of the peripheral nervous system. And the problem is, the page is 213 in the book, and the problem is the problem 6. And the problem just says this. Can I hide it? There you go. The problem is just tic douloureux. Okay, that's the whole definition of the problem. Okay, if you want to see it here in the book, it's right here. Number 6 is tic douloureux. Okay, so now this is just a condition. There's no extra words, but it's just defining what the condition is. So what we have is the path to find the code, and Stefan is going to explain the path while I hold the camera. Again, I remind you that the problem is they want you to find the code, the ICD-10 code for tic douloureux. Okay, so this is the path, and we have made a complete path, and Stefan's going to explain what it means.
We go to first we go to the index.
Okay.
Then we go to tic.
Okay.
Then we go to douloureux. Then you will get the code G50.0.
All right. Can we do that? Do it line by line. So the first line is there's just one code. So it's the 1x means the step to find the code 1 through the index, right?
Right.
And so you go to index, you go to tic, you go to douloureux, and you get the code. Can you do that in the book?
Right. The index. Then
you go to index first.
Then you go for the letter T, okay, for tic.
Yes, it's going to the index. Then you go to T.
For tic.
Where is it?
Here you go. Tic.
And let me point it there, okay? And then?
And douloureux is right down here.
And the code is?
G50.
G50.0, right? And which is the code that we have there. Now, the step for the tabular is?
Then we go to the first tabular. Go to tabular. Then you go to G50.
You always start with the 3 first characters, right?
Right. It's also called disorders of trigeminal nerve. Then you would go to G50.0. Right. The first one would be tic douloureux. That's where you get your answer.
And the equal sign means that's the answer. Just one additional tip is that in the tip section, after you follow all the tips there, the tip number 3 is that the tic douloureux is trigeminal neuralgia, right? So that's why it's very useful to read the tip section first, and so you won't get lost in the path. Because when you go to the tabular, it doesn't say tic douloureux to begin with, but it says trigeminal nerve, disorders of trigeminal nerve, which would be trigeminal neuralgia. Okay, can you do the tab?
Yes.
You go to the tab, right? Tab section.
Go to G50. Which here, G50.
Okay.
Disorder trigeminal nerve.
And then
G50.0, trigeminal neuralgia. But we also have a system down that it's the exact word that we are looking for. Tic douloureux.
Tic douloureux, right? So trigeminal neuralgia can also be syndrome of paroxysmal facial pain or tic douloureux. All those 3 definitions have the same code, right? And the code is G50.0. So we have checked that, double check. And if we go to the book, can you take out so we can see the answer? And the answer is
G50.0,
which is the right answer. Okay? And we finish this video with an invitation for you to go to our website. Thank you.